I'll just show you a quick video of how to sharpen a charcoal pencil. Very hard to sharpen in pencil sharpeners, they tend to snap constantly. Even when using a knife they'll snap sometimes if the core's a little bit shattered from dropping it. So you see, you're just not digging in too deep, you're slicing through, you're not chopping, you're slicing, you're pushing it through, not digging in too deep, that's when you'll break the tip. Okay, it's a nice long tapered end. The main thing is, see, I've got the pencil flat on the table, I'm rolling it as I'm slicing. And then I start to just work, just small amounts, keep turning the pencil, still flat on the table. You'll still occasionally get it break if there's a shattered core in it, but just keep persevering. Don't take too much off it at once. And if you're having trouble with it shattering all the time, you can always use a bit of sandpaper at this stage to do the finishing sharpening. Okay, so you just don't dig in too deep, nice and tapered, so you can keep the stroke nice and low. Okay.